4 brand new books released this September and are now available to purchase on the SAP Press website. Watch on to learn more. Update your ABAP knowledge with our comprehensive guide to SAP's development language. In our 3rd edition of Complete ABAP, you'll learn about SAP architecture, ABAP syntax, modifications, code enhancement, object-oriented and procedural programming, and more. Updated for ABAP 2021, this is the only reference you need. Learn how to set up and run settlement management with SAP S/4HANA with this FICO and Logistics book. See how to configure the condition contract, process sales commissions and rebates, handle external royalties, and more with detailed instructions. Then dive into SAP Fiori apps and reporting tools available to you. With these tips, settling will be as easy as pie. If you're using SAP in the public sector, our Guide to Funds Management is for you. Become familiar with funds management for SAP S/4HANA by looking at the processing user interface. Then learn how to customize your budget and perform user transactions like budgeting, posting, and closing. Keep your costs and expenses on track. The latest Rheinwerk Computing release is our comprehensive guide to Python development. Learn how to write effective code as a beginner or professional programmer, explore functions, modularization, and object orientation. With plenty of code examples, you'll become proficient in Python in no time. See all these new books by visiting our website at sappress.com, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn about upcoming releases. Happy reading!